5-star. She a big old freak, it's a must that I hit. It's a hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. Know she got it lit. Hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit. Yeah. Know she got it lit. Hot girl summer, so you know she got it lit.
Hey, it's Key and welcome to KEE'S Way. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a look that was inspired by Megan Thee Stallion and Nicki Minaj for the Hot Girl Summer collab. So now I am starting with a concealer and using that as my base so my colors can pop up more vividly. So now that I have my concealer on and everything, now it's time for me to add my colors.
Dice on the beat.
So now I'm adding the red eyeshadow and I'm going to be using different tools. So you may see me using a regular applicator and also going back in with my smudge brush in order to blend it better, but also make it more vivid.
Dice on the beat.
Going back and forth with the different colors because that helps me blend and have a more smooth transition between the colors.
Dice on the beat.
camera, I went ahead and added red eyeliner. Now I'm adding mascara because my eyelashes ended up getting a little eyeshadow in there, and once I put on my false eyelashes, I don't want that to show up, the eyeshadow that was left behind. As you can see in the video, they have the zebra print. I was afraid to do the zebra print, so before I started on it, I had to do a little research, look up the zebra print itself, and practice on my hand. And now I'm going to show you guys in real time how long it took for me to put the zebra print and how my eye was twitching because of my nervousness. Enjoy!
Dice is on the beat.
I've contoured a little bit, I've added highlighter, and my look is completed.
Dice is on the beat.
you guys enjoyed this video, and please make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Make sure to check out my family channel. My whole family does YouTube. Our channel is called Cam and the Fam. Check out my parents' channel, It's a Love Thing, and also check out my brother's channel, Caminator Games. Thank you guys for everything. See you guys in the next video. Bye.